Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. In all together, it is the oldest department, prestigious department. Why should I say the prestigious department? Because being a oldest and also being a highly galvanized in the field of academic and research. It was established in 1920. And you should know the relative humidity, temperature, pressures, all the relative and height. So this is a instrument which is meant for measuring the temperature. Very fine thread is there, and this is a relative for relative humidity. And many more sensors also there. And this whole portion is meant to observe the signal. There is a kind of instrument installed on the top of the roof which receive the signal from the sensor which goes along with the weather balloon. Weather balloon is a launching pad. This instrument is tied with weather balloon through rope. So what happens? The weather balloons is filled with the gas. There are so many gases, but this is the special gas which is used for inflating the weather balloon. That is called helium gas. Helium is a non-inflammable gas. Non-inflammable मतलब जलनशील नहीं है, जलेगी नहीं वो. Hydrogen that was used to be the gas which is filled with a weather balloon, but it is a dangerous, unpredictable. जिसे कहा गया आप टूर पर गए हैं, पहाड़ पर गए हैं, कहाँ गुलमर्ग गए हैं, तो अनाउंस होता है कि बच्चे सब चले आओ, वेदर बहुत खराब होने वाला है. This is the only instrument that gives the exact information within a second. So you are advised to come back to their place. Otherwise, the मौसम बहुत खराब होने वाला, अपनी बेल्ट को टाइट रखें. So this is the situation. Getting my point? So this is the real-time data, horizontally 100 kilometer radius and vertically up to 50 and up to 45 kilometer. That goes up to stratosphere. And that is rather atmospheric disturbances take place in the atmosphere like the troposphere.
कैप्चर करता है, वर्टिकल हाइट को कैप्चर करता है. वो जो छोटा वाला है, थोड़ा सा मोटा है, वो क्या कहते हैं, हॉरिजॉन्टल को कवर करता है. हॉरिजॉन्टल जो हमारा है वो 100 किलोमीटर से 200 किलोमीटर के रेडियस को कवर करता है, क्योंकि ये जब बलून लॉन्च होता है तो ये हॉरिजॉन्टली डिस्प्लेस होता है विंड की वजह से. ऐसा नहीं है कि लॉन्च किया तो बिल्कुल वर्टिकली जाएगा, हवा चलेंगी तो टेढ़ा मेढ़ा इधर उधर जाता है. तो उसका जो कवरेज है वो 100 से 200 किलोमीटर के अंदर होता है हॉरिजॉन्टल वालों का. लेकिन वो इनफेलेबल होती है, आग लग सकती है, इस वजह से वो यूज नहीं करते, ये हीलियम यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, अब एक एक प्रोसेस हम बताते चलेंगे. इससे कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, इसके थ्रू ये बलून, वेदर बलून अभी कनेक्ट करेंगे हम लोग, फिर उसमें फिल करेंगे. एक वेदर बलून जो कॉस्ट करता है वो 6000 के अप्रॉक्स होता है सिर्फ इसका. ये पूरा सेटअप जो एक लॉन्च करने में अप्रॉक्स जो खर्चा आता है 50 to 60,000 में लॉन्च होता है. आपको ये लग रहा होगा कि 50 से 60,000 रुपए इतना महंगा लॉन्च हो रहा है, जबकि ये इंडिया में जो NRSC इसरो ने बनाया ये बहुत चीप बनाया है. यूएस में, जैसे कि सर ने बताया, यूएस में जो लॉन्च होता है उसका काफी महंगा होता है, वो और ज्यादा महंगा होता है. तो बहुत चीप वर्जन में सेम चीज हम लोग कैप्चर करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि चीप करने की वजह से क्वालिटी को कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लिया जाता है. सेम चीज है और बहुत चीप उसमें हम लोग करते हैं. तो ये अराउंड टोटल जो कॉस्ट आता है वो 50 से 60,000 के करीब आता है. अब ये कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं ये वेदर बलून को पूरी देखो.
Dr. Waliur Rahman, he is now a great scientist F, working at the NIO.
NCPR, National Center for Polar and Ocean Research. So
his research is in the paleoclimate and the paleoceanography. Paleo means old, is the most ancient. Okay, so his research is on geochemistry, isotope geocard. What the thing was happened. So that is very much. He is a scientist of a distinguished honor. So he is working, and we are fortunate enough that is my physical department. So we are having the geology that is the under and the geography that is the upper. The geology and geography both are so it's like minimum we are great and we are very much delighted and very much and then vibrant, elegant and also your very satisfaction for all of us. I thought the service institution apparently also the luminosity institution because of the prestigious department of geology from where he has been. One centigrade, you just said that will be the great highway for the existing of our living planet. So such a scientist who is involved in day and night to raise this kind of issues and to nature has given different types. The whole picture that is rather conculated, that is inside different scientists use different ideas, different thoughts about the creation of the universe, about the creation of the earth, about the creation of the globe. Everything is created. So you just see all that vegetation and all that things are there. This vegetation is rather